Well, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be solving a question from National Examination Council Neco exam for school candidates, and it is from 2016 exam. And basically, we'll be working on paper 1, which is computer aided drawing, and it goes for 30 marks. Now, in this part of the exam, it is basically Autocad. So if your teacher has not been taking you Autocad, this is where it will affect you, because this 30 marks is basically on computer and Autocad. So the first question, let us see the question. Let's see the question. 2016. Yeah, this is 2016 question. Yeah. The first question says that we should list any 3 CAD software. So CAD software, CAD stands for computer aided drawing. Computer aided drawing. So CAD software, there are several of them. Some of them are Autocad, we have FreeCAD, we have BlockCAD, we have Autocad. CorelDRAW is also one of it. Adobe Illustrator is also one of it. So all these are CAD software. So that answers the first part of the question. That is question 1. Now question 2 says that what are the functions of the following commands? So this is the commands are move, undo, mirror, and pan. So all these commands, they are on Autocad. So without even knowing about Autocad, you may be able to answer some of them. For example, move basically is the change of position of a line or an object from one place to another. Undo basically is like you are unwinding, you are going back to the previous state. It's like going back to the previous state of a command. So a last command, you want to go back to the last command, so you undo. So basically that's what undo is. And mirror is making a replica of an object. Making a replica of an object in the reverse manner. So we can go to Autocad and so that I can show you this. The first one, which was move. Let's say we have a line. You can move this line. You go to move. This is move. Just click on the line and move it. Click anywhere. I can move it to the right. I can move it to the left. I can move it upward. I can move it downward. So, and the movement is also, if you know a specific distance that you want to move it, you type in distance. If you don't have any distance, you can just drop. For example, if I want to move it by 100, I'll type in 100 and enter. It has been moved by 100. So that is moved. And the second one is undo. To undo, all I need to do is just press Ctrl Z and to be returned to the original position. So that's what it has done. Now the next one is mirror. Mirror, let's say this is an object. I can mirror a line as well, but it's easier explained when I use an object. Let's say this is an object. So you want to mirror the object by what distance? Let's say I want to mirror it by 100. So I'll first offset the edge that I want to, the reference point by 1, let's say 50. I'll make it 50 so that I'll make it 50. Select this and move it to the right. Now I want to mirror now, so I'll now select mirror. By the time you select mirror, select the object, you enter, then you click on this line. You will not click here. If you click here, it will be offset. The offset will be on exactly that line. So because I want it to be by 100 away, I'll come to this 50 distance and I'll go up, move my cursor upward and click. I can also offset it downward if I want. Look at it. If I want to offset it downward, you can see because there's no distance in between the line at the base, the offset is on exactly that line. So, and this is what I want, so I'll click there and enter. So I've done my mirror. Sorry, not offset. I've done my mirror. I've mirrored it to the other side. You can see that the object has been reversed on the right hand side. So that is mirror for you. And the last one is pan. Pan, as the word sound, is the hand. It is, you use your hand to pan. And how do you do that on the mouse? You just press the scroll button down. You see, you can see that hand shape. That you see the hand shape, so you can move your object anywhere on the drawing area. You can use it to move it around. So that's what pan is used for. It's used for moving objects around, but not changing the actual position of the object. You're only moving your drawing area around. So that's it. So that answers question 2 of the question. So let's go to the next question. 2016. So it says that you should write the names of the following AutoCAD tools. You can see these are the tools. This one is scale. The first one is scale. The second one is array. This third one, I have not come across it on AutoCAD. And the last one here is hatch. Hatch, to hatch something. H-A-T-H-T-C-H, hatch. So let us go to AutoCAD so that you can actually see them. So the first one is scale. This is scale. You can see the symbol. It is called scale. And the second one is array. This is array. You can see it. This is array. And the third one is, I said the third one, I'm not sure of it. And the last one is hatch. This is hatch. Hatch is under draw command. You can see this is hatch. Yeah. So that has answered question 3 of that here. So let us go to question 4. Question 4 says, what is an output device? 4A. What is an output device? An output device is a device that displays the action of an input device. As simple as that. It is a device that is used to display the outcome of an input device. For example, I can use my mouse to draw a line on the computer. Without the monitor, I wouldn't have been able to see that line. So the monitor, being an output device, is what has assisted me to see what I've used the input device to do. So that is the simple definition of an output device. Now let us go to the second one. That is B part of that question 4. It says list any 3 output devices. Yeah. So to lead output device, like I said earlier, we have the mouse. The output device. We have printer, monitor, speaker, and projector. Apart from this, we still have several other ones. So with these 4, from these 4, you can choose any 3. You can just choose any 3. Now, question 5, which is the last question, says that we should sketch the symbols for the following AutoCAD tools. The first one is fillet, second one is line weight, and the third one is move. Yeah. So let us, fillet is like an angle 90 line that has been joined with a curve. You can see this is fillet. Just like you have a curve, and at the end of the curve you now introduce a straight line, horizontal one connected to the curve and a vertical one connected to the curve. So that is how to show the symbol of fillet. Now the second one is line weight. Line weight you cannot, okay, let me just go straight away to explain. In line weight, to show the symbol, just draw a horizontal line. It can be long, it can be short, like this for example, and beside it just write weight. Draw a line and beside the line write weight. That's the symbol for line weight. And finally, move. Move is like a cross with arrow at all the edges. Look at it. This is move. This is move. You draw a curve, horizontal and vertical line intersecting at the center, and from all the corners of the lines, you just put an arrowhead, an arrow, not even arrowhead. Put an arrow there. So that's how to show symbol for move. So, and that answers the last question from the National Examination Council Neco exam 2016. So if you have enjoyed this video, do like the video, share it and subscribe. With this video and maybe about 3 or 4 more videos, you are good to go because the questions are usually repeated. So thank you very much. We'll meet in the next video.